Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 13th episode to create a WordPress website using our own custom theme. In the previous episode, we worked on services page using custom template. Today, we'll be working on the blog page. First of all, let's create some categories for the blog. So open your admin panel, go to post and then click on categories. Then in this left hand side you can create new category. So the first category I want to create is accounting. Then click on add new category. Once the category is added, you can see them on this right hand side. Likewise, let's create a few more categories: business, finance, and then lending. Once the categories are created, you can click on this add new to create new blog post. Then you can add some title, some content inside this classic block, and some images if you have. Now you have the option to select the category wherever this blog belongs to. So for this example, I will just click on this business and then click on publish. Now if you go to the blog page, you should see some post over there. So this is the post that we have created recently. And if you want to add this continue reading button, then again go back to the post and then select where you want to add that button and then click on enter, and then you have to click this icon over here which says insert read more tag. Just click on that and then update, refresh, and you can see this continue reading button. So if you click on that, then it should take you to the post detail page. Now I will pause this video and create rest of the post. So I have finished adding all the posts now. You can refresh the site and then you can see all of the posts that I have added. There is one more thing we have to do, and that is, in our design only 3 posts are showing and then there is a pagination at the bottom. So if you want to show only 3 posts, then go back to the admin panel again, go to setting, click on reading, then here it says blog pages show at most. You can just select 3 over here and then save. Now if you refresh the blog page, it should only show 3 posts with pagination. So you can see 1, 2 and then 3, and then here is our pagination. If you click on second page, it will show rest of the pages. Also you can see this category name as well. You can see all those category name, and also in footer you can now see all the recent posts over here and all the categories. Click on any one of the blog posts, and if you scroll at the bottom, you have a form over here where you can post a comment. So what I will do is I will try to log out from my admin panel, so refresh this page again, and this is what the visitor will see the form. So if you are a visitor and if you want to write a comment, then you can just write a comment over here. This is a test comment, and then you can write bob at hotmail.com. you can write your website if you have, and then you can click on post comment. And then here you can see your comment over here, but it is saying your comment is awaiting moderation. It means whenever someone posts a comment, the admin have to approve that comment. So let's do that, being an admin now. So when you are the admin of the site, and whenever someone posts a comment, you can see there is one item in comment. So click on that comment, and then you can see information of that comment. You can read the comment. The comment is, this is a test comment. If you think you are happy with the comment, you can click on approve, or you can reply. You can use all of this information, whichever you want, but for now I just want to approve the comment, so I'll just click on approve. And now if you refresh the site, that message is already gone, and this comment is now visible to all the website visitor now. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on contact page. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.